In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw an Elliott wave. Now, this is just going to be describing how to draw it and may not be necessarily accurate. This is just for that practice as well, just so that you can see how the tool works. So we've loaded up gold against the dollar on a 4-hour time frame. Now, I want to add in an Elliott wave. You can see I'm clicking on the trend lines, click on Fibonacci, and it's not there. What I need to do is click on patterns. So you can see we're getting the Elliott waves. Now, this we will get into a very in-depth analysis at a different time. But this is the impulse wave, which means essentially the wave is moving in an upwards or a downwards fashion. And then the correction wave is the correction that will inevitably follow. So let's say we're adding in an Elliott wave. So we start with our first point and we need to click on our chart. You can see that the zero has emerged. So let's say this is the first leg up. So that would be 1, a bit of a retracement. That is 2, 3, retracement down back to 4. And then the fifth move would be the end of the wave. So by left clicking on our chart on the highs and the lows, we can easily draw an Elliott wave. Moreover, if we left click on the pattern, you can see we're getting options to edit it as everything else on TradingView. You can make this larger to see, makes it easier and be very distinguishable on your chart. Now for a correction, you could easily just go back, click on the correction. So that would be starting from the fifth point. Let's say A, B, and C. Now, obviously, I've not done this accurately in this video. This is simply just for us to show to you how you can easily draw an Elliott wave on your chart on TradingView.